for quiet fast.
Woman na sua ho ade a abrofo kra use o madwene ema omutimi bo abrofo no.
Ena omo wa hai.
Ai wa ha.
Ena ye use omu yi.
Enti mame ne Dr. Richard Opoku entwetwe nkomodo. Good morning.
Good morning. And how are you doing?
Me fine now so eh.
Yankopa domboko.
The Yankopa say that see him say brand here but that's say waje bresa oni ebetwetwe enkomo. Doc the air kan ye ahomachi and udru poku transport here baby STC yard oko family chapel area mu ho accident amani pewu na the issue of street light ya kan wansema enso yenye obia obetie yen and yenim na obi kra send udru ayi sofo line crowd no so very terrible udru afidiase adru anwumra esum ba minim se eba kwame nkromasuya pon a mpanyufo amaboa ma sesei awia any solar light ye de ye adwuma no uka ho mbese mebusa. Is it so difficult? Ye ntimi nye bia na den na matimi amaka university de na yi.
Where the mother listeners for you now say make your listeners in most so amoye sa program and pay for education purposes. Na Obaka University as a science and technology university no ye hu say Yankopon bo wi ase no odi ewia kwa na ema ye na ye hu han. Nti se Yankopon ama sa nimdie no a say ye betime use solar dia then the best way ni say ye be use solar into Obaka University campus dia ye nim say ECG duma security of students very critical. Into because of that they install solar at almost all streets on campus. University campus as I'm making. Say beya so ECG kra no dumwa at least the solar light na whole campus ni na no beso because the security of the student is at our heart. And translating it to maybe Ghana as a nation or as a country, you better mind street light, solar street light. I mean, because we share the life cycle cost or the long term cost. Solar is actually far cheaper than ECG, but because of the initial high upfront cost for solar, solar no board, but if you do the long way, term like cost in solar no far cheaper. Some of the advantages what solar say once a solar street light in each of them is a single unit. And it's about no problem. It doesn't affect the other one. But we check normal ECG street lighter. So you have to say a whole stretch where you have about 20 to 30 street lighters. They are all connected with one cable to one maybe fuse. And it's a fuse in blue. It means all that street light, 20 nina, 30 nina will go off. That is the situation, the challenge. ECG street light in Emma. But solar light doesn't have that because you have each operating on its own.
Dog Boamekakra, Metiwasia, the way we are dear no dear day Kanyana dear we are chino. The way you say any dear. Yayano ankra and tobacco crass say and cadodono.
Exactly.
But yeah, dear na ye traditional ye day power electricity dear any dear. Ya connecting and says 20 street lighter. Ne switch ye ba kope enti say duma etimi kan nyina anyasa
exactly exactly into the friends that we share most cities and towns are in Kumasi and also even in Ghana so your friends say street light as so by 30 let's by mistake car ko bo bako let's car no bo bako na the cable crash here it breaks the whole cable we na send the power to all the other street light no but any na day edum meanwhile so no if it were solar nanka po car bopo bakwa inka that way no particular one can be affected all the other ones will be working pretty fine without any issue.
I mean busa because me hwe can west CCA enwumre me the video bi ato ye social media me hwe can west I mean nim say wo de wo ho in fact you are a key stakeholder efa edru enwumre students timini nam kwame nkromasuya poma omunsuro because mo ka ho ne ma street light no eye solar no aye adwuma de me okay west me hu say enwumre but street light ni nyina aye adwuma mo ye ne sen ideas be na mo ye ma because tell be obi tie kire na Ken West de na mo ye na ma but ma ye ama na ye sen na mo si ye no policy ben ene ma Ken West mutimi ye ma edru anwumre light mpo duma still street lights ne ye adwuma.
And see, the first step, is to develop some kind of policy and guidelines. Into the year 2020, under the leadership of the university, they developed University energy policy. And within the energy policy, we highlighted some specific actions. And one of the actions was that, making sure, when it comes to street lights in India, we cover as much as we can with the solar, so that the security of the students, will be in shape. And one of the way developing the policy, because without policy or without any guidelines or planning, I mean, you can't do anything. Until after developing, then we had stakeholders engagement. So this is what the university wants to achieve. Until let's all put our hands on deck and then move. Then of course, it comes to financials when you want to implement some of these things. Until the university also made dedicated budget. Make it budget. This year we want to install 100 solar street lights. With the budget, we draw technical specifications and then go through procurement process and get best quality. At the end of the day, best quality in here. And to say other people have say because of some way inferior goods. You have to buy best quality so that it can last the test of time. And these are some of the things we put in place to make sure our system, solar street lights on Ken West campus, it will work. So these are some of the things that we have done. And I think we have the expertise to help Kumasi or even Ghana. I mean, when we talk about Ken West science and technology, we have all the expertise to help the nation. If only they can come for us to maybe do the planning.
Well, luckily, mpanyufo ni bi wono mabaya bano mpanyufo ni bi ewa ha nti wotie de okoso. I'm sure say very soon with your expertise Ghana be use ni ye because minim so aboa Ghana ewo akwanyansa bebre so nti samre ya yesu street light it is something that very soon I'm sure that they will consult aboa makumase at least drenumra na light dumumpo say traffic light o say den you because of unti na ye hu se kumase ayefefefe doc Nhyira
yo madam wase
Dr. Richard Opoku a renewable energy expert or a mechanical engineer or a senior lecturer Kwame Nkrumah Suapomu and na ye ne no adwetwe nkomo no Nhyira 104.5
Nhyira 104.5